Hey guys, it's Mike at Bigfoot Trailers. Gonna do a quick walk around of our 17.5K 17 ET equipment trailer. Its GVWR is 17,500. It's meant to carry approximately 14,000 pounds. It's got a 7-inch frame, basically the same thing as our 14K trailer, but with a 7-inch frame and bigger axles and tires. This trailer is meant to haul those bigger skid steers and tractors that just don't quite make it on a 14K trailer. We have a 12,000 pound jack, spring loaded, so it's very fast. It's back far enough that it's not going to hit your tailgate, but it's forward far enough that you can still put a spare tire mount on the front. You can put a winch plate on the front or a toolbox. Has a cast iron 21,000 pound Demco coupler, which is the very best there is. It's adjustable up and down. 7-inch tongue wraps all the way around back to the axles, making this trailer stronger. You notice the seam in the wood right here. That's going to be on any trailer longer than 22. This is a 24 footer. This trailer has rub rail on it. You'll see the steel bar on the outside of the stake pockets. That is not standard, it's an add-on. The standard is just using the big 5/8 D-rings. You got 16 ply, 17.5 inch bad boy tires. Very heavy duty, meant to handle the load. Another picture of the rub rail, which is not standard. Ramps are adjustable in and out, side to side. We use 1/4 inch rungs. Our competitors use 1/8 inch or 3/16. That makes the ramp strong enough not to get all bent up when you're driving up and down them in weird locations. LED lights. All the required DOT lighting and tape. Slipper spring, Lippert axles. They're hybrid 8K axles. All our trailers are now equipped with an automotive style wiring harness, which I have laying here just so you can see it. All the lights are plug and play, so they're easy to replace. If you ever have to do a repair on wiring, all you have to do is just replace the whole harness. You don't have to do any hand wiring on this trailer anymore. We have a factory here in Florida. We have a factory in Virginia. And then we're stocking trailers at multiple locations in Tallahassee, Jacksonville, different places in Virginia, Delaware.
Here at Bigfoot Trailers, we build a quality product that is a very consistent product. Everything comes to us as raw steel, and we've invested a lot in turning that raw steel into quality, repeatable parts.
One of the reasons that Bigfoot's able to be so competitive is the fact that we have the tooling like the big guys. We take sheet metal and cut it into any kind of part we need to build a trailer.
The trailer is made of USA A36 steel, welded together by a welder that understands that he will be quality controlled to ensure that all the welds are quality and consistent.
Another important thing about the trailers that we build is that we use exclusively Dexter axles. All our trailers that are heavier duty than 14K have these big, wide 2.5 inch brake hubs on them. And that's the difference between us and a lot of our competitors.
The Dexter axles also feature forward self-adjusting brakes. The brake shoes adjust as they wear down. The coupler we use is a Demco Easy Latch coupler. It's rated to 21,000 pounds GVWR. Most couplers are down at about 14,000 pounds. As you can see, the paddle lifted up and clicked down on. No beating the coupler back and forth like these old style channel lock couplers. The great thing about our jacks is that they save you a little bit of time. They have a spring-loaded foot to where when you get the weight off of the trailer and onto the truck, you can pull a pin and the jack foot shoots up. Our ramps are also utilizing an A36 3-inch channel at 4.1 pounds per foot. They're not going to bend over years of use. The fenders have been welded in such a way that going down the road, the vibration that your trailer is going to be experiencing isn't going to tear the welds.
When the customers at Bigfoot look underneath a trailer, they're going to see that every nook and cranny, bottom, top of every single part is painted.
The top coat is a 2-part urethane that is extremely hard, harder than powder coat.
All the trailers have a modular harness that was custom made just for Bigfoot trailers. You can see their rubber solid connections that once they're put together, they're watertight.
Another thing is that we use ground rated PT, Thompson Eyes pressure treated lumber. It lasts 5 to 8 years on the deck of your trailer. Our trailers come standard with tie downs, 4 D-rings and 10 stake pockets for each model. That accommodates just about any job that you would need, but we can also build you a custom trailer that has any array of options.